Okay, so this is just a quick demo of reasons to use nesting in Premiere Pro and reasons to use adjustment layers in Premiere Pro. So I've got a load of footage in here from Adobe Stock, and you'll see that I've got lots of cuts on video track 1 with lots of transitions. And then above that I've got some graphics that are composited on top of the video using the lighten blend mode. And then on top of that I've got footage of the DJ. Now I want this to be a picture-in-picture, so if I go to my effects workspace and I drag a picture-in-picture preset onto one of these, you'll see that it adds picture-in-picture to that one but not any of the others. So this is a perfect situation where you would use nesting. Anywhere where you want to treat a whole selection of clips as one clip. So I'm going to select all of those, just drag a marquee across them. I'm going to right click on one and choose nest, and we're going to call this edited DJ sequence. And if you watch what happens over here in the project panel, when I click OK, a new sequence appears. So it replaces those clips in the timeline. Now if I want to get back to those clips, I can just double click on the sequence here or here, and then I've got access to those individual clips again. So I don't lose access to the clips by doing this, but it enables me now to create a single picture-in-picture. So I'll go to Effects, and we'll choose a slide in from the left. So I'll pop that on there, and you can see my picture-in-picture sliding in now from the left. That's a good example of when you would use nesting.